Mo here, Resell Niche, back with another Why I Resell concert tees. This is an Alicia Keys 2002 concert t-shirt. It's barely vintage. And they even visited my hometown right there. You can see it at, hopefully, it says Sacramento, California right there. Now, concert tees are not always vintage. They're not always worth a lot of money. But what I like to do is make sure I don't pay a lot for them. I pay under $5 if possible, under $2 or $1 if possible. This one actually got in a box. I'm going to put the box up here or over here of about 80 to 100 pieces, a giant lot, and it was for $80. So this one costs less than $1. So one of my favorite things to pick up, concert tees. Always pick them up, even if I don't know the artist. I just happen to know, obviously, who Alicia Keys is, but a lot of times the artist is not as well known, but somebody out there wants that shirt, especially if there's a city on there, especially if there's a date on there. Possibly that person went to it or wished they went to it. This shirt sold nearly immediately for $149.09, and I had multiple offers, so I was able to get my money back and then some really fast for the entire lot. So look out for concert tees, regardless if you know the artist or not, especially if you can get it for cheap.